May I please your lordship, my lord? My lord, one interim order which was to be expired on 4 weeks, my lord. So I beg to pray the mentioned memo, my lord, to be taken on Wednesday, Thursday, my lord, on 16, my lord.
Interim order
Interim order to be,
till the returnable date.
Yes.
It is not listed.
no, it is not listed, my lord.
That interim order continues by
Interim
implication.
order will be continue, my lord. But your lordship will take this is a matter of the deceased wife challenging the leave encashment and GPF, my lord.
Okay, Monday.
Monday.
Lordship, I am praying for
Monday is a
Holiday.
holiday. Monday is a holiday, my lord.
Okay,
That's why it's
Wednesday,
Thursday, my lord.
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Lordship, I am praying for listing of
Wednesday,
a
Lord.
writ petition, Lordship, on Wednesday. Lordship, even
Motion.
admission, Lordship.
What is the urgency?
Urgency, Lordship, the petitioner has retired in 2023. I have not received my pension and he has suffered a stroke. He is in a paralysis condition, Lordship. And when the notice was issued, Lordship, my interim order was to be considered on the next returnable date.
Okay,
Notice was issued long.
Wednesday. Next.
My lord, I beg to mention for withdrawal of the writ petition, my lord. For withdrawal.
Lordship, item number 27, my lord. Infractious lordship, this matter, my lord. Petitioner
27.
retired already.
Mr. B.K. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the petition, has submitted that the subject matter of the writ petition has become infractious in such and such way the matter to command the petition and the petition has become infractious. Any government counsel, Ms. M. Bhattacharjee and additional senior government advocate for the state respondents is present in view of the above submission made by Mr. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, that the subject matter of the writ petition has become infractious. The same is closed.
May I please your lordship?
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 6. My senior counsel has been hospitalized because of his brain hemorrhage.
Okay.
Kindly fix the matter after 4 weeks.
It's a motion matter.
Yeah, his lordship.
You be there. We should not defer motion matter for 4 weeks. You be there. We'll see. Then we'll defer.
May I please? Well, I'm mentioning for listing of a contempt petition for order on Friday because I'm going to retire on 31st. Man. I have
30?
my service 31st of October. My service is not confirmed. It is against corporation IOCL. Let
Okay, 22nd.
22nd, madam. 22nd.
May it please your lordship, I beg to mention item number 15 of the daily list.
15.
Yes, your lordship.
Why?
Lordship, on the
I appear for the petitioner. Lordship, on the last occasion, the matter was fixed, has to be listed for fixation of a date for admission hearing, Lordship. So as agreed by both the parties, Lordship, we have decided to list the matter on 11th, subject to your Lordship's discussion.
Okay, you be there. We'll see. You be there when the matter is called up.
obliged.
I beg to mention for item number 20, your lordship. Is this I have to file rejoinder
20.
20.
20 is with item number 19.
Item number 19 is not mine, your lordship. I have
Yes.
20.
But have you informed the petitioner in item number 19?
Actually, I could not find it, could not contact him, your lordship.
Okay, let the matters be called up. Then you make the prayer for adjournment to file reply.
May I please,
My
Lordship?
lord,
Lordship, beg to mention.
Yes, Mr.
Three matters relate to non-payment of contractor's bill, my lord.
Contractor will, what this bench has to do? What this bench has to do?
It was last listed on 1st of
Madam, what bench this has to do with contractor's bill?
Department, bench 3, my lord.
Madam, you are a seasoned counsel, you know.
Lordship, beg to mention item number 5, Lordship. The matter may come up after 3 weeks, Lordship.
Motion matter.
Yes, Lordship.
You'll be there. We'll see.
Lordship, on the
We'll first see, then we'll defer.
Lordship, on the
Motion
first
matter.
date, we were asked to bring some documents, Lordship. We
Okay,
are
wait. We'll not apply our mind
Lordship.
at the motion mention time.
Item number 32, lordship. I'll adjourn for today. Contempt case, lordship.
32.
32. 32. 32. 32.
32. Yes.
Adjourn for today, Lordship. List after 2 weeks.
Okay.
Contempt case, Lordship.
On the prayer of Mr. M. Alamgir, learned counsel for the petitioner, the case is passed over for the day. You have informed the other side.
Lordship.
You have informed the other side.
Lordship.
Okay.
My lord, I
It is
beg to
submitted
mention-
that-
One, my
it
lord,
is
pending
submitted
matter.
that consent has been taken from the learned counsel for the respondents to make the prayer. Yes.
One pending matter, my lord, my mother expired, my lord, during service time, my lord. And so I am entitled for, my lord, the pensionary benefit, etc., my lord. So it was last listed to 625, my lord.
Okay, give it to the court master, he'll fix it.
May I please your lordship, I like to beg to mention item number 34. With the consent of the other party, kindly the matter may be adjourned for a week, your lordship.
You are for the petitioner?
Respondent,
Respondent. Respondent, which respondent?
one.
Respondent
politi-
state?
Yes.
State?
Yes, your lordship.
Okay, you have informed the other side?
Yes, sir.
Okay, mister,
Uh,
you are representing whom?
Home and Political Department B,
Huh? Home and political. Who is the standing counsel?
J Pine.
Okay, you are for J Pine?
Yes, your lordship.
Okay, Mr.
Depend,
Dipen,
Item number
learned
34.
counsel appearing for Mr. J Pine, the standing counsel, Home and Political Department, for the state respondent, has made a prayer for adjournment of the case for a week. It is submitted that consent has been taken from the learned counsel for the petitioner to make the prayer. As prayed for, release the case after a week. Item number 34.
34. Much
May it
less.
please your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention for listing a contempt petition for admission for next week, lordship. Any date next week, lordship.
Give it to the court master, he'll give the date.
Lordship.
Similar
Oblige,
prayer,
your
my
lordship.
lord, for contempt for listing, my lord.
Give it to the court master, he'll give the date.
Daily list for motion. Item number 1.
Yes?
May I please before lordship. In this case, last order was reflected as instruction for my, I for petitioner side.
What is the matter about?
Matter about my lord, I filed an application before the director of Mongoldoi Municipal Board, getting maintenance from my.
Aforesaid relief. Aforesaid, what kind of relief you?
Relief, my lord, now we are getting 10%. I petitioner from my elder son, respondent, elder son, Rabiul Hussain. He is working at before the office of Mongoldoi Municipal Board.
Is
my
the
lord.
wife of Muhammad Hussain, who was permanent employee.
Therefore, my lord, case may be disposed of. As we
Elder
are getting.
son. What is this Assam Employees Parents Rehabilities Act?
By this act,
Assam
when the parents
employees.
are not,
Under that, what relief you sought?
my lord, we showed 10%, 10% under Pranam Act, Assam Pranam.
What is the provision, the relevant provision?
My lord.
So you preferred an appeal?
My lord, first time.
You
yes,
preferred an appeal or not?
My lord, appeal.
Yes, then what happened?
What happened, my lord, appeal when filed, the authority did not allow maintenance. Later on, after filing appeal, when no force has been come out, then we approach before this court.
Huh?
Before this court, then we approach before this court.
No,
my
there are designated authority,
yes, my
right? You made an application before that designated authority,
authority.
is it not?
Yes, sir, my lord.
Then designated authority decided the application or not?
Decided, my lord.
Decided, where is the order?
Lord, my lord, actually, this fact was such as, my lord, we first filed application before the Board of Municipal, Board of Mongoldo. Then when they did not allow us, then we filed an appeal before the Director of Board of Municipal Authority, Dispur, my lord. When Dispur, my lord. Then when they did not allow us our appeal, then
Did not allow
Allow,
your
my lord.
appeal.
Then
Where is
we-
that order?
my lord, then we approach before this High Court filing a requisition. When requisition directed to this authority, 10% may be considered. Then they communicate.
Let me read the previous order. So after the previous writ petition,
Yes, my lord.
did you prefer any appeal?
Appeal, my lord.
Okay, this is Annexure 6. Before the Director of Municipal Administration.
And when we filed
Then that appeal was not disposed of.
issues of my lord, actually they communicate.
Disposed of or not, please, yes or no?
Perhaps, my lord.
Perhaps will not do. Yes or no?
Yes, my lord, as we are getting the maintenance, as we are getting 10% from the Board of Municipal Mongoldo.
So he has passed an order.
My lord, they directly communicate to the Mongoldo, my lord. We have not get award, my lord.
Lordship has actually.
1 minute.
Agree to challenge course.
The fire suit.
Yes, have you got the appellate order?
No, not the appellate order, your lordship. The municipal board actually awarded. It's in Assamese, basically. So after this particular.
1 minute. What is Kothali Bhara? Was he an employee or some businessman?
He was an employee of the municipal board, Mongoldo
Ah.
Municipal Board. So
No, see the line. যিহেতু মোহাম্মদ ৰবিউল হুছেইনৰ মাতৃ ৰুমি বেগমক জীৱন নিৰ্বাহৰ বাবে যাৱতীয় খৰচ নিদিয়াৰ কথা ব্যক্ত কৰে। আৰু মোহাম্মদ ৰবিউল হুছেইনে উক্ত মন্তব্যৰ প্ৰত্যুত্তৰ হিচাপে ব্যক্ত কৰে যে যোৱা 6 মাহ পূৰ্বলৈ 2000 টকা ব্যৱসায়িক কোঠালি ভাড়া আৰু 2000 টকা হাত খৰচে মুঠ 4000 হয়। This Rabiul Hussain is an employee.
he was an employee.
So 10% has been awarded.
Yes. Now we are getting 10%.
Huh?
Yes, we are
Yes.
getting. Then, my lord,
Then your appeal, earlier appeal was that the municipal authority did not dispose of the application, right? Earlier grievance was that you submitted an application before the designated authority in the municipal board and they did not dispose of the application, right? So you were given the liberty to prefer an appeal under section 11
Yes, my,
because they did not dispose of the application within 90 days.
my lord.
Now there is an order on 16/8/2024, already earlier.
Yes, my. Yes, my.
A copy was furnished to you.
Just for.
Copy was addressed to you.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So when the earlier appeal was, earlier repetition was disposed of.
Earlier writ petition is disposed of on 14 to
14 to
24,
24.
26 to, I'm sorry,
Huh?
26 to 24.
Yes. Thereafter on 16/8/2024, this order has been passed, granting you 10%
Yes.
out of 11,000,
Yes.
meaning thereby 1,100 perhaps every month in your account,
Yes, my.
right?
Yes.
So if that is so, then what is your grievance now?
My lord, case, this case may be disposed of, my lord.
Huh?
This case, writ petition may be disposed of, my lord.
Close.
Dispose.
Yes, my lord, yes. Yes.
And if you have any issue with that, if it is say you are not satisfied with the amount, then you have to file an appeal under section,
11 only.
no,
Because here what has actually happened here, this is an order under section 8.
hmm?
Do you Pokhar Alusana, if I have to start from?
Yes, now it is an order. Earlier, when he prepared the writ petition, there was no order,
There was no order.
right?
Yes.
Then section 11 says if the designated authority does not dispose of the case within a stipulated period of 90 days, then he can prefer an appeal.
Appeal.
That subject of appeal has become infructuous
Infructuous.
because there is an order now.
Order no.
Then if he wants to file any appeal, it will be an appeal under section 12.
12.
See section 12. And you have received a copy of the appeal, I think, order.
I can provide him a copy of this.
Yes.
I don't know. Heard Mr. S.Z.B.
B, my.
Aklas, learned counsel for the petitioner. And Mr.
D. Bora.
D. Bora, learned junior government advocate.
1, 2, 3, and 4.
Assam for the respondent number 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 also?
No.
Huh?
It's a municipal board.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Full stop. The petitioner, as the wife of one late Mohammad Hussain, Within Vacancy is diseased, comma, an employee of Mongoldoy Municipal Board, comma, sought relief under the Assam Employees Parents Responsibility and Norms for Accountability and Monitoring Act, comma, 2007, comma, which is, comma, in short, comma, also known as Assam Employees Pranam Act, comma, 2017. So stop. The ground for seeking relief was that after Muhammad Hussein, during his lifetime, took voluntary retirement from his service, in the year 2015, expired in the year 2017, and in acknowledgement of his death, his elder son, that is the response number 7, was appointed in the service of the Mongoldoy Municipal Board as an electrician. Post of. The petitioner, being the widow of late Muhammad Hussein and the mother of the respondent number 7, had raised a grievance that the respondent 7 did not provide any amount for the maintenance of the petitioner. Post of. With such grievance, the petitioner submitted an application before the Mongoldoy Municipal Board. Post of. Praying for deduction of a part of the salary from the petitioner number 7, also respondent number 7, for her maintenance. Post of. It will go on 13/12/2020 application date. When the said application under the Assam Employees Pranam Act 2017 was not disposed of by the designated authority in the Mongoldoy Municipal Board, the petitioner approached this court by way of a writ petition, WC number 801 of 2024. Post of. This court, having regard to the provisions contained in section, provisions contained in section 11 of the Assam Employees Pranam Act 2017 to prefer an appeal against such non-disposal of application, dispose of the writ petition by an order dated 26/2/2024, granting liberty to the petitioner to approach the appellate authority by way of an appeal under section 11. Full stop. While disposing of the in view of section, in view of the appellate remedy available under section 11 of the So and So Act, the writ petitioner withdrew the appeal to withdraw the writ petition to prefer an appeal under section 11 of the So and So Act. Thereafter, on 14/3/2028, the writ petitioner preferred an appeal under section 11 of the So and So before the Director of Municipal Administration, Assam. Post of. Where Mr. Bora, Jury Government Advocate, has placed a copy of an order dated, issued under memo number so and so, dated 16/8/2024, passed by the Executive Officer, Mongoldoy Municipal Board, to submit that the designated authority in the Mongoldoy Municipal Board had already passed an order directing payment of 10% of 10% from the salary of the respondent number 7 at the rate, rupees 1100 per month for deposit of the same amount in the bank account or in favor of the petitioner. Post of a direction has been made to deposit the same amount in the bank account of the petitioner every month. Post of. Para from the contents of the order dated 16/8/2024. It appears that the order dated 16/8/2024 appears to have been passed on consensus. Full stop. Para. This writ petition has been preferred to take grievance that the appeal preferred by the petition under Section 11 of the Assam So-and-so Act was not disposed of by the appellate authority, that is the respondent number 3. Post of a direction was sought that the petitioner also sought for a direction to the respondent number 3 to dispose of the appeal preferred under Section 11 of the So-and-so Act. Post of. But in view of the order passed by the designated authority, Mongoldoy Municipal Board on 16/8/2024. No, Mr. So-and-so, Mr. Eklas, learned counsel for the petition, has submitted that the petition has been receiving the sum of rupees 1100 every month in her bank account. Post of para. In view of the order dated 16/8/2024, the purpose of preparing the appeal before the respondent number 3 has become redundant. Post of. If the petitioner has any grievance with regard to the order dated 16/8/2024, the petitioner has remedy under under the Assam So-and-so. Post of. In view of the above discussion, the writ petition. In view of the above discussion and taking note of the submission made by the learned counsel for the parties, this writ petition stands closed.
Item 2.
May it please, Your Lordship. My lord, petitions were appointed prior to 1/4/1993. Until then, they have been serving in the Assam Agricultural University. And there is There were some approval also.
There was some submission
Yes,
that matter be listed again after a week by showing the name of Learned Standing Council Assam Agriculture University in the cause list. Has it appeared? No,
it has not appeared, my lord.
not appeared.
No.
Then is there any state of standing council for Assam Agriculture University?
As, yes,
So their name should be reflected then. Huh.
we served the copy.
Mr.
BK Court.
Mr. BK called and counsel for the petitioner. Mr. Dhor, you are for?
For the state, madam.
Hmm? Petitioners. How many petitioners? 100, 200, 400, 59. Okay. We respond number 1, sir.
Department is not indicated.
Who is respond number 1?
I'll rectify it. I'll rectify. I will rectify. There is some.
You rectify by what manner?
By amendment.
Huh?
By amendment.
By amendment. Do it. Mr. Dhor, you are for?
As of now, my lord, I am appearing for one.
You don't know
I
whom?
don't know, but this is the state of Assam, so my lord. As a.
Earlier-
council, I can appear, but I don't know which department I am representing.
You don't know which department you are representing.
Yes, ma'am.
Will not record your name. And Mr. Ardhor, senior government advocate for the state. Full stop. By order dated 28/5/2025. Comma. It was directed that that the name of Learned Standing Council Assam Agriculture University be reflected in the cause list to represent the respond number 3 and 4. Full stop. As the name of the Learned Standing Council Assam Agriculture University is not reflected in the cause list. This is the case after a week, reflecting the name of the Learned Standing Council Assam Agriculture University in the cause list. Respondent side in the cause list. Post of Mr. Rajgupta has submitted that he would also file an amended cause title in the meantime to for reflection of the names of the proper respondents. Please, the case after a week.
Item 3.
Steroid. Guilt. What is the issue about?
My lord, before that, my lord, kindly see the last order, my lord.
I have seen now.
And the revision has been dismissed, my lord, and I will file the appeal, my lord. But here, my lord, the issue is defined. My lord. In that case, my lord, I made a prayer that the entire access is being void, my lord. Therefore, my lord, Singhan says, my lord, all that unless
No, you place the review order also. And where is the other order?
yes, I have
We'll
placed-
see then.
Yes.
Other order is annexed here.
Hello?
Firstly, it was said that there was a writ appeal,
Yes,
228,
Yeah.
2024.
Fine.
That was withdrawn
Fine.
to prefer a review, right?
Yeah.
Then when the last order was passed
Yes.
on 31/7/2024,
Review is not filed.
review was not filed. So in the meantime, review was filed
Filed,
and review was also dismissed,
dismissed.
right?
Yeah.
And court was of the view that the consideration of this matter would not be proper at this stage unless some orders are passed in the review that may be filed in those cases,
Yes.
right? Have you brought that review order on record?
No, on record, not my lord. I pledge just
Don't throw papers like that.
my lord. Then
When the court has observed
yes.
that consideration of the matter will not be proper at this stage unless some orders are passed in the review that may be filed in those cases.
My lord, I bring on this by affidavit.
What is the issue about?
Issue, my lord. Here, my lord, the petitioner participated in selection process, my lord, being a PWD candidate, my lord. And after the selection process being over, my lord, the authority has decided to hold a medical examination for reassessment of the benchmark, percentage of benchmark disability. In the percentage of benchmark disability, my lord, they got the lesser percentage, but he is the PWD.
PW, but he got lesser
Yes, he is the
percentage
PWD.
of disability.
Yes. I challenge that, my lord, decision, my lord, before the honorable court. This honorable court, when issued notice, my
This petitioner,
yes, my lord, this petition
earlier,
earlier round,
then
this court was of opinion that after hearing the counsel that my lord, the decision was taken by the social welfare justice to re-verify the certificate, my lord. And my lord, they have produced a OM, my lord, which was issued after the, my lord, advertisement, which was issued after the advertisement, my lord. They have shown a clause, my lord, clause 5, where it said that if someone appeared in the selection process, my lord, holding a certificate issued by the competent authority, my lord, it would be the authority can verify that certificate, my lord. My lord, in that OM, my lord, they have, after the advertisement is, my lord, they have what said, my lord, the reservation PWD quota of the disabled person, my lord, is, my lord, horizontal under Article 16(1), my lord. And in the OM, my lord, they have made the reservation only for the PWBD, my lord, under Article 16(4), my lord. That is the vertical reservation, my lord. They have changed the game, my lord, excluding the PWD. Whereas the reservation policy in the RPWD Act, my lord, for the PWD and the benchmark disability or benchmark concept, my lord, in the new Act, my lord, has been introduced. Why the benchmark disability?
don't go into complicated matter. Then what happened after that? They re-examined your disability.
Yes.
It got reduced.
Yes.
Then what happened?
I was not offered appointment.
You were not offered appointment. Those are grounds of silence. Please
Yes.
give me the sequence of events.
Yes.
Don't go into the grounds of events at first. What is the sequence of events?
Yes.
So you were initially selected.
Yes, I have been selected and recommended also.
Where is that?
My lord,
Where is the
page-
advertisement?
page-
Where is the advertisement?
advertisement, my lord, page 41.
41. What is the post? Class 4.
Grade 4.
Okay, class 4.
Yes,
And different departments.
yes. But in this advertisement, they have
First, the basic facts.
No.
Class 4.
class 4.
1300,
Yes.
300 vacant posts.
Subsequently, it was 14,000.
Okay,
something like.
okay.
And
Then where is your initial physical disability certificate?
my lord, that is page
You
30.
participated.
Page
Okay,
30.
you were offered admit card. What kind of examination? Written examination or
Written exam.
interview?
Written exam.
Written only.
Yes.
There was no interview.
Yes. There's
There was interview.
yes. But in my lord, admit, your lordship, I am a general candidate, my page 42,
Why?
my lord,
Why?
because
Did you submit, did you apply under as a physically disabled candidate?
yes, I have submit the physical. I am a PWD. I am a PWD. The question is whether I am a PWD. Yes, I am PWD.
No. Whether there was any provision in the application form to apply as a PWD?
Yes,
And did you apply
Yes.
as PWD?
PWD.
And is it to be reflected in the admit card or not?
Yes, page 43. Category, my lord. Category general, Dibbang, PWD, yes,
Where is that? Okay,
my lord.
okay,
Category general,
okay,
PWD.
okay.
But the PWD reservation is the under article 16(1).
Let us see the events, not the law.
My lord.
I've been saying repeatedly.
Then, my lord, page.
Then what happened?
Then page 44, I qualified for appointment.
Provision result of class 4.
Yes. In that,
Qualified for appointment.
in that, my lord, there's kindly see 2, clause 2, the confirmation of the appointment is subject to verification of all academic qualifications, category certificates, and other eligibility criteria declared at the time of the submission of application.
What is wrong with that?
It is not wrong. It is applied for all candidate appointments. Then, my lord, in case of PWBD, then in case of PWBD category.
So you are agree by that? Clause 3?
This.
Clause 3, page 44.
No, I am not agreed.
Not agreed.
Because, my lord, because under the OM itself.
No, don't go to the OM.
Yes.
You are not agreed by clause 3.
No, medical examination, for medical examination.
In case of what is this PWBD means?
PWBD category.
Benchmark disability.
Benchmark disability.
Okay.
Benchmark disability.
So appointment shall be confirmed after medical examination and clearance received from the medical board. You
Medical.
are not agree with this clause?
Yes.
Not.
And when a medical examination meaning is there in the OM also.
We'll go into that.
Yes.
Then what happened?
Then, my lord, department was allotted, my lord, page 45. Established under the WBC department, grade 4 post, peon.
Okay, department was allotted.
Yes. Then, my lord, this 46 notification was issued.
Notice medical department, hold medical re-verification of benchmark
Medication.
disability of successful candidate exam conducted by state level recruitment board as per list annex schedule. Annex of belonging to a specific. Yes,
Medical re-verification.
yes.
And, my lord, kindly see in grade 3 post and grade 4. And, my lord, grade 3, grade 4.
Yes.
The in grade 4, my lord, kindly see total candidates selected how much? 482.
Page 46.
Page 46, my lord. My lord, date, my lord, after the year, my lord, annexure 1, grade
Okay,
3,
okay.
grade 4,
Okay,
total candidate 482.
okay.
482 of the 14,000 something, my lord, is, my lord, 3% something, not 4%.
We'll count that. Then what happened?
3%. Meaning they are selected on merit. Then, my lord, I appeared for the medical examination. But my result was not declared.
In pursuance of notification dated so and so. What is page 47?
Page 47. it was declared that who was not qualified in the medical examination,
Ah.
they were allowed to.
So you
file
were
appeal.
qualified or not qualified?
Not qualified.
So you preferred an appeal?
Result was not given to me.
Okay.
I was not offered appointment. Those who were qualified, they were.
They were offered. So
offered.
you were not offered appointment.
Not
So
My name was not.
indicating that you are not qualified.
Then I preferred my lord appeal.
Appeal.
In appeal also, my number not come, my lord.
Oh, appeal
Therefore-
was,
Therefore, I was not offered appointment.
okay,
Then, my lord, I approached this honorable court,
right.
my lord, page 50.
Yes, 50. Yes,
Page 50.
yes.
This honorable court, kindly see, my lord. Page 52.
Hmm. Yes, 52.
Page 52.
Yes.
My lord, second paragraph. I start. The writ petition in case of holding disability.
By the way, where is your disability certificate?
My lord, annexer
Annexer?
2, 39, page 39.
Hearing impairment.
Yes,
That is your disability.
yes.
Okay.
Then my grievance was aggrieved by the president. May I read, my lord?
I was going to ask you. So this order was passed
This was passed, but.
in your repetition.
Yes, my lord,
So did
hearing-
you prefer any appeal?
My lord,
Did you prefer any appeal?
prior to that, my lord, prior to this,
Read appeal, read appeal.
wait a minute.
Did you
Against,
prefer any read appeal against this?
against this? No,
Uh,
No.
Because initially your submission was that after the selection process was over, the writ petitioner has been asked to appear before a specially constituted medical board so as to verify, reassess the nature and extent of the disability suffered by him. The present writ petition has been preferred, entirely contending that since the petitioner is holding a disability certificate issued by the competent authority, there was no further requirement under the law or any legal justification to subject the petition to any further scrutiny by another medical board, as been done in this case.
yes,
But the writ petition has operative part without expressing any opinion. The decision of the subsequent medical board was directed to be communicated to you.
no, my lord. Well,
When it is in black and white,
no, my lord,
there is no submission required.
no, my lord.
When page 54,
Kindly see, my lord.
last para,
May-
I have seen.
No, my lord. My lord, without expressing opinion on the external cancer definition finding and observation by the medical in findings, the liberty, my lord, liberty candidacy. Liberty is granted to the return to assign the decision of the medical board and or Department of Social Justice and Empowerment. The decision was taken to re-verify by the Social Welfare Department, my lord.
This claim for appointment, right, for within 4 weeks.
My lord, liberty was granted, my lord.
Okay.
What is the reason?
Liberty was granted to assail the decision of the medical board.
And or this Department of Social Justice, my lord. That the Department of Social Justice has decided to re-verify, my lord.
Okay. Then result,
Then result, my lord,
where is that?
result, my lord. Page 57. Page 57 to 237. Serial number 237, 4.67.
4.67.
Yes, ma'am. And kindly, and another thing, my lord. that
So
the-
what was the, now this is the your position.
Yes,
Now what was the other one case? Other case? What was the other case which was reflected in the order dated 31/7/2024?
there's a pending hearing is going on, my lord.
Huh?
Hearing is going, a coordinated bench is hearing, taking hearing. And my lord,
What was the issue here there?
my lord,
You bring that order,
my lord,
bring that order in, passed in the other repetition and a review order.
yes, ma'am. Sometime, ma'am.
Ultimately, issue is also there, related,
And my lord,
and there should not be any conflicting decision of defined coordinate benches.
yes, my lord. And subsequently, my lord, the apex court has settled all the law.
We'll come into that. First, you bring this to. What is the issue? Who represents? The respondents.
Respondent 3.
To understand the order of the review,
My lord.
that
Because,
original order is to be also read,
my lord,
because review merges with the original order.
because my lord, at the first order, the initial first order was passed without issuance of notice on the very first day. Without-
Mr. Roy, to understand for this court, to understand the issue before this court, you have been directed to place the review order.
Yes, I will.
And to understand the meaning of the review order, we need to go through the original order also.
My,
You bring it by affidavit. Then only we can proceed further. And after a dismissal, I think you are the same counsel
yes, my lord. Actually, I was,
as it is reflected.
my lord, I was.
Then did you, are you the person who has preferred appeal?
Yes, my lord. Because I was.
You are the counsel or not?
Yes, yes.
In the
I
read
was-
appeal,
I was the-
read appeal, read appeal.
Yes.
When it was preferred?
After dismissal of the,
When review was dismissed?
recently, my lord,
Recently means what?
on 20.
You are the person who only knows.
Yes, my lord.
Nobody else knows.
My lord, 22nd.
22nd of what?
September.
September.
Yes.
Then you preferred appeal.
No, vacation 2 is,
Okay.
I will.
Oh, you are not, you have not filed any appeal.
I will file within this.
That I don't know. You bring, whether you file appeal or not, that I don't know.
Because in the.
You bring the original order and the review order on record.
Right.
That too is first. Okay, Mr. S.K. Roy, Learned Counsel for the petition. Law you reserve for some other time. And there is drastic reduction of your extent of disability
Up to 0%.
My lord,
from 4 to 40 to 4.
Some in 0.
and my lord,
And Ardhor, learned
One.
additional senior government advocate, Assam for the response number 1, 2, 6. Who represents three?
Respondent 3.
Miss
PCA.
PC
CA.
CM.
CA. SEYIE.
Okay. Learned Council. You are a standing council.
Respondent 3.
Huh?
Respondent
You are
3.
standing council.
No.
You represent whom, madam?
Arun Das. Sorry.
Learned Council representing Mr. R.M. Das. Standing Council, Social Justice and Empowerment Department for the respondent number 3.
Respondent 3.
Who represents respondent number 5? Mr. D.O. Pomaina, Standing Council, Health and Family Welfare Department for the respondent number 4. 7 and 8. Who represents 5? Mr. B. Choruri. As a Standing Council? What is that?
State level recruitment commission.
State level
Recruitment commission.
recruitment
Commission.
commission. For the respondent number 5. Full stop. Mr. Roy, Learned Council for the petition has sought for a week's time.
2 weeks, madam, because it has been, I have to file the document.
Oh, that is a different issue.
2 weeks, 2 weeks.
Original order and review order.
Review order and original.
Review order has been passed. Review order has been passed in relation to the original order.
Yes, ma'am.
Both.
Both.
The review order and the original order, in respect of which the writ appeal number 228/2024 was earlier preferred and withdrawn.
We don't want to leave.
By way of an affidavit. To bring the so and so, the review order and so, on record by way of an affidavit. Please the case after a week.
2 weeks. Ma'am. After 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Okay, 2 weeks.
Published.
Item 4.
Yes.
May I please? Lordship, on last occasion, my learned friend asked a question whether the court petition is maintainable or not. Here,
Who are the respondents?
respond-
Accountant General.
Lordship,
Accountant General.
he want appointment in the office of the Accountant General. So Lordship, Central Administrative Tribunal is the authority to decide, Lordship, as per section 14, Lordship.
Lordship, it's a compensionate appointment, the case of compensionate.
L.
No.
Chandra Kumar.
S. Chandra Kumar.
End of the matter. Any deliberation is required. You have the option of filing an application before the Central Administrative Tribunal. That is the only one. Thereafter, if you are aggrieved, file a writ petition under 226.
L. Chandra Kumar.
You better withdraw.
Liberty to file.
Heard Mr. B. Fukan, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. R.K. Talukdar, Learned Standing Counsel.
2 and 3, my lord.
Accountant General within bracket A&E, Assam. For the respondent number
2 and 3.
2 and 3. Any Central Government Council? Mr. C. K. Sarma Barua, Learned Central Government Council for the respondent number 1. In this, by this writ petition, command of petitioner sought had entirely sought a direction to the respondent authorities for his appointment on compassion ground, full stop. It is projected that the father of the petitioner, who was an employee in the office of the Accountant
Accountant
General,
General. Yes, Lord.
A&E Assam,
Yes.
Command in harness on
3/3/2022.
3/3/2022. Poster. And
When-
objection, poster, Mr. Fukan, Land Council for a petition has submitted that in view of the administrative provisions of the Administrative Tribunals Act 1985, the petitioner would like to withdraw the instant writ petition in order to avail appropriate remedy before the Central Administrative Tribunal under the before the jurisdictional Central Administrative Tribunal as per the provisions of the Assam Administrative Tribunals Act 1985. Poster. The submission of Mr. Fukan has not been objected to by the Learned Counsel for the respondent. In view of the above, the instant writ petition stands dismissed on withdrawal. Post of liberty stands reserved to the petitioner to avail appropriate remedy as permissible under the law. Yes, some submission was made.
Yes, Lordship. We need some time, Lordship. We are not fully prepared.
Why?
Lordship, there are some documents on the first date of hearing. There are some documents we were
Request for
asked to bring, Lordship. We are-
registered on so and so on a date to expire the office. This is the third adjournment again.
No, no, on the first date, Lordship, the matter was heard.
On the request of the Learned Counsel, release the case after a week. Then again, at the request of Learned Counsel for the petitioner, matter stands deferred to be listed in the month of October. Why? These two deferments
Lordship, this matter is,
at the motion stage.
Lordship, this matter is related to Deputy Marshal's Lordship, fixation of gazetted, Lordship,
Gazetted, non-gazetted.
non-gazetted Lordship. When the post was created, Lordship, he was equivalent to the Assistant Director of Sports and Welfare, but the
How
post
can
was.
you claim for gazetted status, non-gazetted status? What is a gazetted status?
Which reflect in the gazetted,
Huh?
which reflects in the gazetted list, Lordship.
So what is the manner?
Lordship, that is that there is some,
Huh?
anomalies in fixing of the dear.
So how a mandamus can be sought for? What should be the ground?
Lordship, there was
Tell
some-
me. Tell me. Somebody else has been granted gazetted status. Right? So you would try to claim your gazetted status in relation to something that man, that category of post has similar pay scale with me. So he was granted gazetted status, I should be granted.
Lordship, there was.
Also gazetted status. That may be a case. So what is the basis?
Lordship, also we have seen the Lordship in other states also, the Deputy Marshal post is a gazetted one. We have tried
Why
to
is that?
create.
Why is that? Deputy Marshal.
It's an annexure, Lordship.
Let us see your advertisement first.
It's in page number, Lordship. Lordship, apologies, I have to go through the PDF.
Advertisements, Deputy Marshal. Okay. Then, is there any set of rules? Huh?
No, Lordship, but
Is
there
there
was a
any
committee formed, Lordship.
Is there any set of rules?
No, Lordship, but the committee decides, Lordship, the committee was set up, then.
No,
committee
no,
decided
your
that-
post is a cadre post in a in a set of rules.
Yes, Lordship.
Where is the rule? Where are the rules?
Lordship, you will find it in annexure 16, Lordship.
Deputy
The copy of
Marshal,
gazetted and non-gazetted
others-
person legislative assembly, Lordship.
Inches. Where is your appointment order? Huh. Page 31, page 30 is the rules.
Yes, Lordship.
Now, where is that deputy marshal post?
Post of deputy marshal permanently retained.
Page. You are not with the brief.
No, Lordship, that's why I have to go to Finance. I apologize at the starting, Lordship.
On the prayer of the learned council, Mr. On the prayer of Mr.
A Mena, Lordship.
A.
Mena, Lordship.
Mena learned council preparing for a petition and the case stands adjourned for 1 week.
Item 6.
May I please your lordship?
Yes, bit louder.
May I please your lordship? I have mentioned that item number 6.
Yes.
My senior counsel has been suffered from brain hemorrhage.
Who?
Mr. P. Sharma.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Odhikari.
Yes, my lord. I think, my lord, he has to be accommodated.
ACR remark
Yes, my lord.
2014,
15,
14-15.
my lord. And third representation, my lord, first was rejected. He prepared the second one, that was rejected. Third representation, he prepared one, that even that. was
Only
rejected.
presentation,
Yes, sir.
nothing else.
Nothing. No, he has come, my lord, praying for quashing of that adverse remark of 2014.
After
15.
10 years.
My lord.
Okay, because of the ground cited for
My lord.
adjournment will
My lord.
differ.
My lord.
If he recovers
Yes,
and comes,
it goes.
it goes. The writ petition is closed.
My lord.
After a decade,
Yes, sir.
Miss
He does, sir.
Edas, Learned Council. Your name is in the list? Okay. Has submitted that. Mr. P. Sharma, Learned Council, who is leading her in this case, has suffered from serious, has suffered from serious ailments. She has thus prayed for listing of the case after 2 weeks.
Let it
Or
up
you
to 4 weeks, my lord,
Huh?
because brain hemorrhage, my lord. It
Then
might
we'll
take some
issue
time.
notice.
My lord. Then you should.
And the issue of limitation
Yes. Keeping open.
will be considered
Yes,
as a preliminary point.
my lord. My lord, your lordship may issue notice.
And Mr.
MR Adhikari,
M.R. Odhikari, Learned Central Government Council for all the respondents?
all the respondents.
For all the respondents?
Yes, my lord.
Respondent number 5.
Oh, sorry, my lord. 1 to 4 and 6.
Close stop. The petitioner has prepared this writ petition seeking inter alia, setting aside of an adverse remark made by the reviewing authority in the annual performance appraisal report for the period 2014-2015. Seeking setting aside and passing on the adverse remark. Close stop. Para. Mr. Rodriguez and Central Government Council, CGC, has submitted that during the period of 10 years, the petitioner had only preferred representations repeatedly, and the writ petition has suffered from delay and latches, and therefore the issue of maintenance of the writ petition on that count is to be taken as a preliminary ground. Post of issue notice, returnable forwards, returnable on so and so. The petition shall take steps. To OTK. Formal notice, as so and so has appeared, so and so, so and so. The petition shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent of I by registered post with AD. Within 2 working days, post of the point of maintainability on the ground of delay and latches is kept open for consideration on the returnable date.
Item 7.
May I please? Lord, this is compassionate appointment, my lord. The father of the petitioner died on 8/4/2016, my lord. And he-
8/4.
Yes, my lord. And then, my lord, on 19/10/2016, he applied, my lord. And on 31/10, my lord.
19, then the rest one of the issued a letter.
My lord, kindly see page number 31.
Less than 3 years. They are struck down.
Earlier, it was not maintainable, my lord, in view of the clause number 1 of the circular dated, my lord, 1/6/2015, my lord. And this clause was set aside, my lord, and thereafter this petitioner again submitted the application.
No, where is that 31/10/2016?
My lord, page number 31. Prayer is not maintainable, my lord. Here, my
I'd
lord,
like to inform you that as per guidelines.
the balance of service was less than 3 years. That clause,
Did you challenge this order?
no, my lord.
So you were sitting on the fence.
My lord, subsequent,
You were sitting on the fence,
this order was,
waiting for the outcome of other petitions.
yes, my lord, it is there, my lord.
If one sits on the fence,
I have not challenged this, my lord.
if
am
one
not
sits on the fence, what he is called?
That is there, my lord. But my lord, subsequently, my lord, the application submitted and this DLC rejected. my lord.
16, it was a specific order specific to you. This order. Is it not?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what is in law? Who is called a fence sitter? Are you a party in the other petitions?
No, man.
No.
No.
As soon as the good order comes, you jump,
And I submitted.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then, hey, plastic put plastic. So, jumping the bandwagon, jumping in the fray,
But
fence sitter,
but my lord, they have rejected.
9 years.
Rejected on the ground that, my lord, subsequent of office memorandum was issued, my lord.
No,
On the
what
basis
is-
of that,
But now you overcome the law on fence sitter. Yes, that is a law. Similarly situated people should be treated similarly. But not similarly situated people should not be treated similarly. Now there is a distinction. The other set of petitioners. There is a distinction between you and the other set of petitioners. They prefer the writ petition. You did not prefer. You accepted the position
Yes.
and you have gone your own way. You decided to pursue other occupation, profession, whatever. So you accepted the
Still I am-
position in 2016.
Still unemployed, my lord.
That I don't know. You have survived 9 years. Debabrata Tiwari will come in
Yes,
heavily.
yes.
You have survived 9 years. And you are also not similarly situated with the other set of petitioners. You are a fence-sitter. These two, you survived since 2019 for 9 years, and you are not similarly situated with the others, then Article 14 will not come into your rescue. And Debabrata Tiwari steps in clearly
Yes, still, my lord, the-
as a fence-sitter. Take your call day after tomorrow. Madam, give the law on fence-sitter.
Lordship,
You apprise this court.
yes, Lordship.
If he does not fall in the category of fence-sitter, then we'll issue notice. If he strictly falls within the definition of fence-sitter, along with Debabrata Tiwari,
Delay, Lordship.
that his survival for 9 years, will close, will not proceed further, will
Lordship.
not make any other exercise.
my lord, next week, my lord.
Wednesday,
Next Monday. my lord.
no, I lost my memory after 1 week.
Well,
48 hours. Mr.
K. Uddin, my lord.
K.O.D. Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and Madam,
For
You-
5 and 6, U Sharma.
U. Sharma, Learned Junior Government Advocate Assam for the response number
5 and 6.
5 and 6, Miss M. Colita, Learned Standing Counsel, whatever. Forest and Environment Department for the response number 1 to 4.
Forest Nahan.
Siliguri. Mr. Uddin has sought time to address on the point of applicability or otherwise of the decision in Debabrata Tiwari and as to whether the petitioner falls in the category of fence-sitters or not. Release the case on Wednesday.
Item 8.
May I please your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, in a departmental proceeding, the petitioner has been aborted with the punishment of
Okay, we admit.
service.
Issue rule. Heard Miss
And Chakravarti.
N.
Chakravarti.
Chakravarti Learned Counsel for the petitioner and Miss M. Bhattacharya Learned Additional Senior Government Advocate Assam for
All the respondents, Lord.
all the respondents, full stop. The petition is aggrieved by the imposition of major penalty of dismissal from service. Full stop. Issue rule. Full stop. As Miss Bhattacharya has been accepted notice on behalf of science. Issuance of formal notice is dispensed with extra copies. We need to open this.
Obliged, your Lordship.
Item 9.
My lord, I have no grievance against the Oil India Limited, my lord, but my lord,
Oil India Limited.
but my,
There's an interim prayer against All India Limited.
yes, interim prayer because of my lord, my husband served,
Let me read your synopsis first.
my lord.
Three children were born. Prabhavati, Suman, Beauty. So your husband retired in June
Retirement
2025
My lord,
and will be getting 70 lakhs
Around-
approximately as
Yes.
retirement benefit,
my lord.
right?
My lord.
Then, so you want a pie of,
My lord,
Why out
I
of
want
it?
my area, my lord.
huh?
I want my area of maintenance.
Area of maintenance.
Area of maintenance, because my lord, area of maintenance, not paid by
And this
husband.
area of maintenance was supposed to be deducted by the Oil India or
My
Limited
lord, because my
as
lord,
per the magistrate order?
because my lord, in their hand, my lord, the area, this amount is there. That is why oil.
No, what is the order of the magistrate? Under section 125 or 127?
My lord,
Page 26, operating portion, page 29.
29.
26, the second order. that
Prices
is
of all
enhancement.
essential commodities.
Oil was never a party there.
Hmm?
No, oil was not party.
But still, court can direct that all deduct the amount and give it to the.
In fact, if the order has not been complied with, I think the opportunity was there for him to file an application before that court of original jurisdiction itself.
My
For
lord,
implementation.
my lord, I am trying for last
High
5 years.
court may
my
not
lord.
have been the
Last 5 years,
Forum.
my lord. And my lord, I believe that my lord, I will not get the amount. If
No,
my
no,
lord,
that.
if will not get by,
I think an application lies in that court of original jurisdiction.
CRBC.
no, that is right, that is right. But my lord, since my lord, for so many,
Then they do not do their job, the court, competent court of jurisdiction, then you have always the option 482, 397,
Yes,
401, and under the appropriate provision of the BNSS. There is
No,
petition everywhere.
That
that
is
is
the
there,
due
my lord.
course you
You
should
cry
have.
foul, you coming to the court crying foul.
My lord, because of my lord, my husband is retired, and he has, my lord, this amount with Oil
That
India.
court has been vested with enough jurisdiction to execute its own order.
My lord, I am not, my lord, asking more than my lord, what is accumulated in that area.
Not satisfied, Mr. Sohan. The writ petition cannot be panacea of all ills. Section 128. Enforcement of order of maintenance.
Yes.
End of the matter.
That is there, my lord.
Then
But since my
when
lord, since the my lord,
alternative, efficacious, and statutory remedy is available,
In fact, statutory remedy.
and my lord, I am trying for long 5 years, my lord, I am
then
not
para
getting,
14.
I am not getting, my lord. That is why.
Yours, paragraph 14, there is no other alternative, speedy and effective remedy available to the petition. You drop the statutory and efficacious.
My lord, since long, my lord.
Heard,
I-
Mr. Sohan. Learned counsel for the petitioner and Mr. A. Sharma.
1 to 4. Oil India 1 to 4.
You don't want to put your husband into arrest, custody. That is why.
My lord,
The court has the power to
Yes.
take him into custody,
And realized the money.
realize the money.
My lord,
But your obedience
I don't know, my lord, whether by
and
putting
Mr. A. Sharma and
I will
Standing
get my-
Counsel, Oil India Limited for the response number 1, 2, 3, 4. Full stop. The petitioner is the wife of the response number, is
Five.
the wife of
Five.
one Sri Humidor Chorgeri, who has been implemented as party respondent number 5 in the instant writ petition. Post of the petitioner previously, the petitioner complaining that the respondent number 5 did not maintain her, preferred an application under section 125, Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. Before a court of
Judicial-
judicial magistrate first class, Pathsala. And the said application was registered as MR case number 7 of 2021 post. Originally, by an order dated 29/11/2001, comma, the trial court granted maintenance at rupees 400 per month to the petitioner and at 200 per month to each of the 3 children of the petitioner. So subsequently, applications were preferred by the petitioner under section 127 CRPC. Time to time. And as part of final order passed under section 127 CRPC, comma, or on
16/11/15.
16/11/2015, the petitioner was granted a maintenance allowance at rupees 3,700 per month. Also, it is the grievance of the petitioner that despite the maintenance order under section 125 read with section 127 CRPC, the respondent number 5 has not been regularly paying the maintenance amount, resulting in accumulation of arrear amounts. Also, this writ petition has been preferred by the petitioner on stating that the respondent number 5 has retired from service in June 2025 from the employment of the respondent number 1 to 4 as a chief security officer, and towards his retirement between, he is likely to receive an amount of rupees 70 lakhs approximately from his employers. Post of this writ petition is preferred with a seeking inter alia direction to the respondent Oil India Limited authorities to deduct the amounts or to deduct an amount equivalent to the arrear maintenance amounts payable to the petitioner as per the order of the trial court, in terms of the order of the trial court. To stop. Para. Having gone through the provisions of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, BNS is also. What is the equivalent provision? Mr. Chauhan? 125. It will take me years to remember the equivalent provision. 144. 144. Which provision I have said?
128.
128.
The earlier act.
147. And having regard to the provisions containing Chapter Roman 9 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, including Section 128 and Chapter Roman 11 of the Bharatiya Nagorik Surokkha Honita. No, Chapter 10, including Section 147, this court finds that the petition has an effective, efficacious, and statutory remedy post of, in such view of the matter, the repetition is not entertained.
My lord, one observation, my lord, in the event of filing petition before the trial court, my lord. the honorable
We don't assume that they will not act
Provision is there.
as per the provisions of the statute. We cannot assume and presume.
Let him first file the application.
First, you file the application. You don't want your husband to be into custody. That is the only reason.
Obliges.
Okay, we'll come.
Item 10.
Oh. May it please, my lord. My lord,
Yes.
in fact, the crux of the matter of this case is in page 27. Others are appointment letter, extension letter, all those things. But this is the crux of the matter. I am seeking to be considered for regularization. My father has worked as a regular employee. He had expired. After that, I gave an application. In fact, I am thankful to the authorities that they have kept me as a contractual employee, but 6 times they have extended. And now I have crossed the age of 30. And I am, let's say, I want some kind of, because uncertainty is there in this job. So therefore, I am seeking to be considered for regularization. That is my prayer. And I am doing essential function. I am a grade 4 employee, and
No, your father was an employee.
yes, he was a regular employee. He had expired in 2021. So therefore,
So you
directly,
made an application for compassionate appointment.
not compassionate, or appointing. I mean, that application was not strictly, of course, compassionate or anything, because I think the scheme of compassionate by that time had gone.
That is gone.
That is gone.
Ah.
So, but then, of course, compassionate not in the strict sense of the term, but then considering all this, and since my father was an employee for so long,
Now, yes, for state government, that has been dispensed with.
yes,
That scheme for compassionate appointment.
yes,
Now, it is an, it is a.
Corporation.
it is an
Corporation.
instrumentality of the state,
of the state,
right?
yes,
It has its own,
own
set of
rules,
rules,
yes,
whether for compassionate appointment or not.
yes.
Then you have been engaged,
As a grade 4 contractual employee,
contractual employee.
initially 6 months, then 6 months, then since then 11 months, 11 months. So total 6 times extension is granted me. Till today I'm working. I'm working now also. The only thing is the uncertainty and everything. So therefore I'm to be considered for regularization. That is my prayer in this.
Now, the regularization issue, your appointment is rehearse Article 14
Yes, that
and
is
16. That will stare at your face
yes.
as well as at the face of the employer.
That is their lordship, but it has become a trend now that for years together, because this is so convenient to keep somebody and fire somebody. Even government departments are doing acting like a private employers.
You say which page?
I said page 27.
Yes, 27.
Some spelling mistakes are there. Petitioner has written this, but this is the crux of the.
Your service is secured up to May 2026.
Yes.
This, if this is, if I dispose of this petition
Yes.
to consider this representation, then that will be against Article 14 and 16.
No, that also because he has written to reappoint me also. He's ready to face, of course, that his.
Any appointment,
Yes,
any appointment
right.
is to be made in an instrumentality of the state has to abide by the provisions of Article 14 and 16.
Yes.
That goes against you.
That is against me, but the instrumentalities of state, they are also bypassing this 14 and 16 by making this kind of appointments, by giving extensions time and again. That bypass is done not only by this, now college and universities recently, this guest faculty issue was also up in various states.
Your very entry into the contractual appointment is not by any public advertisement.
No, that is
Had it been so, then we could have said.
There's no selection process.
It is completely gratuitous.
It is a gratuitous act. I'm
This. Will issue notice, we cannot, this representation we cannot take for guidance of. Umar Devi says clearly,
Yes, there has to be sanction post.
this has to be stopped. Cannot go on with this practice, Article 14 and 16, that is violation. We cannot direct regularization. Having regard to the tax situation obtained in the case. Goes against us. Cannot direct. The ultimate order, direction which you have sought for is for regularization of your service,
yes.
right? On permanent basis or regularization of service.
Yes.
We are not very satisfied.
So Lordship, after
Why should we go on entertaining this kind of
no,
regulation?
no, Lordship. First of all, after Uma Devi, I have also checked that what can be some basis. I have got a case that is Jaggo versus Union of India, 2024.
Those are 20-30 years, sir.
No, 2024. This is
No,
yes.
decision is a
Oh, yes, 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 yes,
2024.
that's true, that's true, that's true.
But service rendered
Long-
is 20-30
Yes,
years.
long service was there. That is true. That is true. Long service was there. In
That is that engagement was almost prior to Uma Devi. But
Yes.
Uma Devi paragraph 55, 56 or 57, whatever.
Yes.
It says one time measure, 10 years
Yes.
minimum
Yes.
against sanction post.
Sanction
All
post.
these are there.
10 years sanction post.
It is they are offering you this service as a charity.
At that time, yes, at the time of my first appointment. But since then, I have proved my mettle. And
Joggo will not come in, sir. Nothing will come in. But they are at least 15,900 they are paying as per contract.
yes,
Now
they
your
initially it was
reputation of
9,000.
service-
They have increased later on to 15,000.
Heard Mr.
MK Chaudhary.
MK
Chaudhary.
Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for the petitioner.
And he has come for for anticipation that one day he will not be there in his service. I guarantee that. Anticipation of I
Knowing fully well you are contractual employee. Okay, we'll put him in oxygen for some time.
Obliged.
Art and Mr. C.K.S. Burwell and it's
Yes.
Advocate Assam for the response number?
One.
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 Okay. The petitioner who came to be appointed as a contractual employee at fixed remuneration by an office order dated 23/9/2021 by the respondent number 3. Comma has preferred the instant repetition, seeking a direction to the respondent number 2 and 3 for his appointment on permanent basis or for his regularization in service. Post of it is submitted. It is stated that subsequently by office orders, the petitioner's contractual appointments have been extended from time to time. Post of it is further stated that by an office order dated 19/7/2025, the petitioner's contractual appointment as a grade 4 employee on daily wage basis has been extended for another period of 11 months with effect from 27/6/2025 to 26/5/2026 at a consolidated pay of rupees 15,900. Full stop. Issue notice return, Mr. Junior Government Advocate appearing for the respondent number 1 submitted that the petitioner's appointment is purely on contract basis. And there was no selection process preceding his appointment by the office order dated 23/9/2021. Issue notice returnable for weeks as Mr. Borua has appeared and accepted notice on behalf of the respondent number 1. No issuance of formal notice to the said respondent is dispensed with. Extra copy within 2 working days. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice of the respondent number 2 and 3 by registered post with ID within 2 working days.
Awesome.
Also take.
Here the petitioner has been working as a meter reader since 2003 and he has already completed 20 years of service. Though I am not entitled for regularization of service, just I am praying for pay parity as per the pay the other regular employees are receiving.
Yes.
Your Lordship, we didn't receive any instruction till now. Let the notice be issued.
Heard Mr. S. Biswas, Direct Counsel for the petitioner, and Mr.
C. Paul.
C. Paul, you are standing counsel.
No, appearing on behalf of KP Pathak.
Learned counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. KP Pathak, Learned standing counsel, APD seal for all the respondents post of the petitioner has prepared this petition stating that he has rendered 22 years of continuous service as an outsourced employee.
As an outsourced employee appointed on a contractual basis, but my
As an
service.
outsourced employee under the AP respondent APD seal authorities. And by this petition, the petitioner has sought for a direction to the respondent APD seal authorities to grant him the benefit of minimum pay and or stroke pay parity. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks as Mr. So-and-so has appeared, accepted notice, formal notice dispensed with extra copies, 3 working days.
Much over.
Much obliged.
May it please your Lordship.
Yes.
Which I prepared a list of dates. Your Lordship, I come against the impugned order dated 13th of June 23. There is a revision petition which was rejected and thereby upheld the order dated 23rd March, which
What is the original order?
original order is at page number 38.
13?
38.
38.
Yes, your Lordship.
What is the order?
Yeah, I was
38 is article of charge, final order.
final
Okay.
order. Page number, the operational part is at page.
Final order. Censure.
Censure.
Then what happened?
Then I
Appellate order.
appellate order
Affirming the same.
affirming the same and the
Then-
revision was rejected on the basis because it was beyond the limitation period. There was a delay.
Delay.
Revision order is at page number 45. Typed copy. Page
So
number-
you are in service?
I'm in service.
Hmm.
So,
So by the censure order, what
I was
adverse?
supposed to be promoted to the post of senior inspector, but because there is a provision which states that if there are two minor punishment within a period of 5 years, then the promotion gets stopped. Because of that order,
Okay, well, you should notice at this stage, Mr. Hard, Mr.
GR Datta.
GR?
Datta.
Dr. Learned Counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Ikwe Goswami, Learned Central Government Counsel for all the respondents.
All of us.
Full stop. The petitioner is presently serving as
ASI, Assistant Sub Inspector.
Assistant Sub Inspector of Police in the Central
CISF.
Industrial Security Force, CISF. Full stop. The petitioner is aggrieved by an order dated
23rd March.
23/3/2022, whereby the penalty of censure has been imposed on him. Full stop. The said order of penalty has been affirmed by an appellate order dated 6/8/2022. Full stop. When a revision was preferred against the said two orders, comma, the revision petition was dismissed on the ground of limitation. Full stop. Hence the writ petition issue notice returnable in 4 weeks as Mr. Goswami has appeared accepted notice. On behalf of all the respondents, issuance of formal notice to the respondents are dispensed with extra copies within 3 working days.
Deeply about.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, the petitioner was appointed as a driver under Golaghat Municipal Board on 14/4/2005 after due selection, and thereafter the service was duly regularized by board resolution in the year 2017. In the year 2021, a case was registered against me and I was arrested. And but during investigation, police find nothing against me. So police did not submit a charge sheet against me. And that has been recorded by the court, my lord, while the order was passed by the court, my lord, that no charge sheet has been filed. Page 23. And thereafter, my lord, ultimately that case, my lord, Borpatha PS case, that was also, charge was also not framed and it was disposed of. And I have communicated to the my lord, board. Then, my lord, I was reinstated. But, my lord, 12 employees who are junior to me, my lord, they have been given the benefit of pay revision under ROP 7 pay. But I was denied by saying that due to this case, due to the pendency of this particular case, though it was already disposed of. I have communicated, I have made several representations. Even lastly, on my lord,
So you're not given the benefit of pay revision?
Yes.
That is the issue.
That is the issue, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Borua.
Basically, it is the board lordship. So, see, I am only appearing for respondent number 1, 3, and 4, district collector. Golaghat Municipal Board.
Let
basically-
notice me go, my lord.
Okay. Heard Mr. M. Dr. Learned Counsel for the petitioner. CKS Borua, Learned Junior Government Advocate Assam for the respondent number 1, 2, or 1, 3, and 4, and Mr. R. Borputari, Learned Standing Counsel Finance Department for the respondent number 2. Full stop. The petitioner has claimed the benefit of pay revision under the Assam revision of Assam within bracket revision of pay rules, 2007 on the ground that the ROP rules 2007 has been implemented by the respondent municipal board. Respondent, which board?
Golaghat Municipal Board. Golaghat Municipal Board.
Golaghat Municipal Board authorities. Posta. The petitioner, who is a driver, under the respondent Golaghat Municipal Board, has claimed such benefit of pay revision on the ground that the benefit of pay revision has already been extended to employees of the said respondent municipal board who are junior to the petitioner. Full stop. Petitioner has further stated that the petitioner's arrest and subsequent exoneration in a police case and his subsequent exoneration would not stand in the way for him to get the benefit of pay revision as per the ROP rules 2007. Issue notice returnable 4 weeks as Mr. So-and-so appeared accepted. Issuance of formal notice stands dispensed with. Extra copies 2 working days. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 5 and the respondent number 6 by registered post with AD within 2 working days from today.
Possible.
For impediment of party, item 14.
Please, your lordship. This I pertains to a contempt petition, lordship, where new director has joined, lordship.
Petitioner. How many applicants?
Lordship applicants,
2.
4.
Lalon Barma, okay.
Lordship.
Lalon Barma. Okay. Earlier, Munindranath Gete.
Lordship.
Altaf Hussain.
Lordship.
Now.
Dr. Umesh Fangso, lordship.
Okay, Director of Health Service. And you are paying for whom, Mr.?
I am for 2, my lord. Altaf Ahmed, the
Okay.
Joint Director of Health.
He is still
Services,
there.
and he is also retired.
Huh? He is also retired.
Yes.
Another application,
Date of
Mr.
retired
Bordoloi.
is lordship.
Hired Mr. P. Bordoloi, Learned Counsel for the applicants. That's read petitioners. And Mr. F.A. Ahmed.
S.A. Ahmed.
S.A. Ahmed, Learned Counsel for the respondent number 2. Full stop. The instant interlocutory application has been filed by the applicants. Sorry, the applicants as the read petitioners. Oh, sorry, no, sorry, read petitioners.
Contempt petition.
Contempt petition. The applicants have preferred the connected contempt petition, contempt case number 27 of 2024. Full stop. The instant interlocutory application has been preferred by the applicants seeking implement of the following person. Absolutely, the one is yes, Dr. Umesh Fangso, Director of Health Services, Assam, Hangarabari, Guwahati. That's 781036 District Kamrup Metro Assam. As party respondent number, as opposite party number
1A.
Why 1A? Okay. As respondent number 1A in the connected contempt case, full stop. It is stated that one Sri Munindranath Gate has been impleaded as the respondent number 1 at the time of preparing the contempt petition, as he was holding the post of Director of Medical Services, Assam, at that point of time. Subsequently, The proposed respondent number 1A has joined the office of the Director of Health Services Assam, and therefore, his implement is necessary. His implement as a respondent number 1A is necessary. So, in view of the above fact situation projected on behalf of the applicants, the instant interlocutory application seeking implement of the above proposed respondent number 1A is allowed. The learned counsel for the applicants petitioners shall file an amended cost title before the registry in a period of 1 week from in terms of the notification number so and so. And and the registry shall do the necessary correction accordingly in the cost title of the contempt case number so and so. And thereafter, release the same.
Lordship. Obligation.
Release the contempt case number so and so.
Item 15 for admission.
Yes, what
Yes,
is
Lordship,
what
this.
is the other order? Previous order?
Lordship, this, in the previous order, it's not recorded, Lordship, but your Lordship had earlier verbally noted.
Registered on so and so is the case on 24/9. It was not listed.
It is not listed.
Okay. Yes,
Lordship, we decided 11th of December. Lordship.
December.
11th of December.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Lordship, I have a humble request. If the matter can be taken up at 2, because the learned ASG is will have matters before the court.
We have a long way to go, we'll decide. Make a mention at 10:30.
Yes, Lordship, I just had a request, so I just placed it before you.
Heard Mr.
S.J. Soikia.
S.J. Soikia, learning counsel for the petitioner. Miss
D. Gupta, Lordship.
D. Gupta for
Respondent 2 and 3.
learning counsel for the respondent number 2 and 3, and Mr. B. Chaudhary, learning counsel for the respondent number 4. As sought for by the learning counsel for the parties, place the case on 11/12/2025 in the admission column.
Highly agree.
Item 16.
May it please your Lordship. My lord, in this matter, the seeking time to file an
Counter affidavit.
counter affidavit.
Who is respondent number 2?
Respondent number 2 is my lord.
Commissioner PNRD.
Commissioner PNRD.
Oh.
For the last 3 occasions, they're seeking time, my lord, filing affidavit.
Something related to
Regularization.
some name, right?
Yes.
My name is also this clear, my lord. Yeah. Some place Tajid Ali, some place within both Tajid and Aziz. Whereas my actual name is Tajid Ali, my lord. My father's name, my post of paper.
No, on what point the affidavit was directed to be filed?
Regarding my lord, why they are regarding the entitlement or regularization. In this matter, my lord, the affidavit filed by them, my lord, it is absolutely silent. Whereas my name was already 2021.
Not
2021 filed
reason
was
for rejection.
Yes, forwarded, my lord.
For the prayer of the petition for regularization.
Yes, my lord. And similarly, placed persons case has been considered appointment and regularized, even junior to me.
No, whether that affidavit has been filed or not.
No, Lordship, I'm seeking a further opportunity to file the affidavit.
Why, Mr.
Almost in
Ghosh?
this is
Yes,
fourth
Ghosh.
occasion.
Yes.
Why? 3 occasions.
See, further
Last chance may be given, my lord.
some clarification is needed regarding the name of the petitioner.
No, it is, that is 1 point and plus affidavit incorporating the reason for rejection of the prayer of the petitioner for regularization.
Okay.
Discrepancy is one, and secondly, reason for rejection.
Yes, my lord.
2 points. And file the affidavit, Lordship, an opportunity may be given.
That may be fixed, my lord.
How much time you need?
Lordship, 3 weeks.
Good time, sir.
Heard Mr. P.K. Dekal and Council Board application and Mr. A.K. Ghosh and Council appearing on behalf of Mr. K. Kwon and additional advocate in Assam for the respondent number for the state respondent.
Yes, my lord, state.
It is seen that time has been granted. Since the year 2000, since 15/12/2023, to the state respondents to file an affidavit incorporating the reason for rejection of the prayer of the petitioner for regularization. Full stop. There is also a discrepancy as regards the name of the petitioner, misspelling of the name of the petitioner, full stop. Where no affidavit has been filed by the state respondents on those points till date. Full stop. Where Mr. Ghosh, Learned Counsel, has again sought for
3
3
weeks.
weeks time to file the affidavit traversing those points. First of all, having regard to the fact that the official respondents have been repeatedly seeking time, this court is of the view that the state respondents will ensure that the affidavit is invariably filed within 3 weeks' time. First of, place the case on so and so date.
7 November, 7/11.
Deep love, let's.
Item 17. May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, in this matter, Your Lordship, on the last occasion, Your Lordship, the state respondents were directed to produce the record.
Records are available. What is the matter?
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship,
Tell
why
me,
is that?
what is the matter?
Yes, Your dismissal from.
Dismissal from service.
Your Lordship, the whole issue remains, Your Lordship, that
Okay,
there was.
okay, not require
Unauthorized
dismissal of
access.
service, it requires
Yes, Your Lordship.
some application of mine on our part, deliberation also.
Yes, Your
When possible.
Lordship, here one difficulty is that Lordship, the appellate authority has filed the affidavit, but there is no affidavit yet been filed, Lordship, on behalf of the disciplinary authority, Lordship. So
Oh.
there is one technical difficulty is there,
You
Lordship.
file the affidavit as well.
We'll be filing,
in the
Lordship.
courts.
Lordship. Kindly allow me 2 weeks' time, Lordship.
I will give you 3 weeks time, but
Okay, Lordship.
get both the thing done.
Yes, Lordship.
One affidavit, the second record.
Record, Lordship.
Heard Mr. D.S. Dekar, Learned Counsel for the petition, and Ms. M. Bhattacharjee, Learned Additional Senior Government Advocate, Assam for the state respondents. So, Ms. Bhattacharjee has pointed out that an affidavit in opposition on behalf of the disciplinary authority, on behalf of the respondent number
5,
Wow.
Your Lordship.
5.
4 has been filed, Lordship, he being
Fine.
the appellate authority.
5. Stroke disciplinary authority has not yet been filed. Mr. MS Bhattacharya has thus sought for Chief Stein to file an affidavit in opposition on behalf of the respondent number 5. Full stop. As full stop. The list the case after 3 weeks for filing of affidavit by the respondent number 5.
Lordship.
Full stop. The State Council shall also obtain shall also obtain the relevant records
Lordship.
on the next date of this.
Much obliged, Lord.
Deeply obliged.
Item 18. Is the case for grant of commission allowance and gratuity as entitled under Rule 24 of the Assam Service Pension Rule, Your Lordship. I have preferred an appeal, Your Lordship, Annexure 8.
Annexure
8, page
Eight.
28.
Page 28.
28. For my limited prayer is that let this appeal be considered, Your Lordship.
What is section 24? Assam Services Pension Rule. Assam Services Pension Rules, right?
Yes.
Where is your order?
A removal order is Annexure 2, page 17.
Is
17, 17.
17.
17, Annexure 2. Petitioner is the wife.
1
of-
minute.
Wife.
1 minute. Unauthorized absence.
Yes, exactly, Your Lord. He was mentally imbalanced and suffered. Ultimately, it was removed.
Rule 66.
It is.
If it was paid.
There is a power exercise for removal.
Hmm?
There is a
And
power.
what is the consequence of the penalty of removal?
Removal, no pension.
Removal, no pension.
No pension. But Rule 24, Rule 24 provides, Your Lordship, kindly see, for compensation allowances and gratuity. May I read, Your Lordship? Misconduct or inefficiency.
This order was in 2002.
Yes, Your Lordship. Then
This
I,
man died in 2009.
9, your lordship. I being the wife, I was unaware, I was regularly applying for family pension. Subsequently, I came to learn that I am not entitled for family pension, but there is a provision for grant of compensatory allowance and gratuity. That's why I made an, preferred an appeal.
But there is a proviso.
Yes, your lordship. Proviso is there. There is no note is there in my book.
There is an affidavit of opposition also.
Yes, I have filed an
Let us see.
affidavit in opposition, and I have also submitted my reply. In the affidavit in opposition, they have just stated how I have been removed. They explained that I have not answered to the show cause notices. There is the only thing that they have stated in the affidavit, your lordship. And I have also filed my reply.
Yes, Ms. Potasi, has it addressed on the issue of Rule 24?
Lordship, here are, in the affidavit, we have stated a few things, Lordship.
He is not challenging the removal part.
No, Lordship. Then entry of the name of the petitioner is also different, Lordship, in the service book.
Whatever, ultimately,
And
by
that
the
lordship-
order, by the impugn order, he has been removed,
Lordship,
right?
Lordship.
Now, question is whether it was in 2002.
Yes, Lordship.
That man died in 2009.
9,
Then, being the wife or whatever,
Lordship.
you say that this name of the petitioner is wrong.
Yes, then Lordship, there are other things.
Mayani Brahma.
Yes, Lordship.
Affidavit has been filed, your.
And that apart, Lordship, there was, now they are stating that he was mentally imbalanced. The wife, the petitioner who was, she was medically fit. But there was no intimation to that regard, Lordship. We have stated in para 10 of the
So we are
affidavit, Lordship.
taking simply Rule 24.
Lordship,
He has, she has made a claim.
Lordship.
Then one thing in the repetition is that he preferred an appeal.
Lordship.
Appeal under what?
Rule 24.
Rule 24. That please grant me compassionate allowance.
Only this much. Let them consider it. My passing is speaking.
Whether that has been decided or not.
Oh, Lordship, on that point, it has been stated, because the superintendent of police, he has filed a reply. So he has said that he has no authority to grant any benefit to the petitioner, Lordship. This
Exactly.
is there,
Actually, that was
page 38.
Yes, 30.
Yes, Lordship, paragraph 12 of the affidavit.
exactly your lordship. He is right.
Is
That's why I
38,
preferred IGP.
paragraph
12, Lordship.
12.
In reply to para 14, Lordship, where Rule 24 has been stated.
That's why before the higher authority, IGP.
This page 28, the presentation or appeal, whatever,
Lordship.
for grant of compassion appointment under Rule 24 has been preferred by the petitioner before Inspector General of Police Administration. At least whether it deserves consideration or not.
Lordship.
If it deserves consideration,
Yes.
then it should be considered on merit and as per law.
As per law, Lordship.
As
Yes.
per law. I also don't understand
Yes,
this
Lordship.
compassionate allowance.
Yes, Lordship.
You have to explain it to me.
Lordship,
Take a call, who have take an
yes, Lordship.
instruction
Yes, Lordship.
from this Inspector General of
Yes,
Police,
whether it is admissible or
whether
not.
he
Lordship.
has received
And-
copy of the appeal.
Yes.
And if received, whether he has decided.
Status. Okay, Lordship.
If not decided, we'll dispose
Lordship.
of this
Writ petition.
writ petition, taking all the to decide it on merits.
Lordship.
And as per law only. And the limitation point, that mental imbalance, everything he will take.
Different, Lordship.
Will not jump into any conclusion. And-
Lordship may take it up on next week, Lordship.
It given, regarding receipt, your lordship postal receipt is any, please.
they misplaced, na? Sometimes they
It is my
misplace.
only limited prayer that.
If it is misplaced, and
Maybe,
we'll ask you to
maybe,
submit
maybe.
a phrase
Yeah, yes,
to
yes.
decide it
Maybe.
within a stipulated period of time.
Yes.
So, Ms. Bhattacharya, you please take your instruction
Lordship.
on the specific point.
Yes,
And so that we reflect your name in the cross list,
Lordship,
so that there will not be any
Lordship.
other state council.
Lordship.
Again, he will come that give me one more week,
Yes, no, Lordship,
right? This is a matter of pension. If
Yes,
something
Lordship.
is payable or something is
Widow, your lordship.
widow, so-
One adopted daughter is also
Yes.
there.
and if it is within the discretion, all this,
Lordship.
Mr. Mojumdar, R. Mojumdar, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and Miss M. Bhattacharya, Learned Junior, Additional Senior Government Advocate for the respondent number 1 to 4. And Mr. R. K. Talukdar, Learned Standing Counsel, Accountant General, ANE, Assam, for the respondent number 5. Mr. Mojumdar, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has highlighted that the petitioner seeking a compassionate allowance under section Rule 24 of the Assam Services within bracket pension bracket close rules 1969 had preferred an appeal stroke representation before the respondent number 3 on within bracket appeal stroke representative within bracket annexer 8 to the repetition bracket close on 30/3/2024, and the petitioner has not received any communication in response to the said representation stroke appeal from the respondent number 3 till date. Full stop. Ms. Bhattacharya, that additional so and so has submitted that the disciplinary authority, that is the respondent number 4, has stated that he has
There are 12.
page running page.
38.
He has no authority to grant any benefit to the petition. So Ms. Bhattacharya has however submitted that whether any decision, whether the representation stroke appeal stated to have been preferred by the petitioner, before the respondent number 3 was received or not, and if received, whether any decision has been taken thereon or not, she will obtain instruction. She will obtain instruction. Has to be done. As sought for. Ms. Bhattacharya leaves the case after on
24th, Lordship.
June 2025, the name of Ms. M. Bhattacharya and its additional senior Lordship will be reflected in the respondent side in the process.
Deeply obliged, Lordship.
Item numbers 19 and 20.
Okay, who is the petitioner in 19? You are the petitioner in 19. You are the petitioner in 19.
19.
I'm 20.
You sought time.
Yes, sir.
Yes, anything to reply, file reply. You are for the state. Yes.
Question is that, Lordship?
She sought time to file a reply.
It's written the agreement, Lordship. The agreement is not received, Lordship.
No, she sought time to file a reply.
Yes.
So is there any objection from your side? Since your item is tagged with item number 20.
19 day, I have not specific order to reply lordship. Reply on affidavit, I have not.
How much time?
Each time.
2 weeks time. Mr. You are Mr. Alamgir?
Yes.
Mr. H. Alamgir, learned counsel for the petitioner in 19. And your name please, Miss
B. Bora.
B. Bora.
on
For
behalf
whom?
of- On behalf of Mr. D. Upamanya, Health
Kindly, Lord.
Department.
One thing is 26/3/2025 lordship, it is their order. It has written in the meantime, MSec Learned Counsel of the petitioner may bring the record the agreement by which contractual aim, but there is no any agreement lordship. I also personally searched.
Tweeted your item, tweeted.
How can they file agreement? 26/3 lordship. In contractual appointment lordship, no any agreement is required. Nanavati. I think it is wrong lordship. Without agreement, they cannot file affidavit. So case may be lingering one after another.
You are not the petitioner in item 20.
I
You
am
are
not
not
the-
supposed to make any submission as regards their submission.
Their lordship.
You are not supposed to make any submission.
For them lordship, I am also entangled. Case may be separate lordship.
How did you take? By what order? And I press for that. Okay. Let it be there together. Miss
B. Bora.
B.
On
Bora,
behalf
Learned
of
Counsel.
Mr. D. Upamanya.
On behalf of Mr. D. Pomanil, Learned Standing
Department.
Counsel, Health and Family Welfare Department, for the state respondents are present. Ms. A. Begum. Learned Counsel for the petitioners in item 20 has paid for and is granted 2 weeks time to file a rejoinder affidavit on behalf of the petitioner. First of these cases after 2 weeks on a date fixed by the office.
Item 21.
May I please your lordship? What's the major variant of family pension?
Your lordship, the pension proposal is under process in fact, lordship. The executive engineer has resubmitted the pension proposal is corrected shape, lordship. It has come to the office of the chief engineer. Now it will go to the secretary, then it will go to the AG, lordship. So
Okay.
2 weeks time, lordship may fix the matter.
Matter will be disposed of.
No.
Time frame.
Let us have the view of the chief engineer. He is the authority.
Yes.
Not the executive engineer.
So another case, the pensionary benefit which have not received by the husband during his lifetime.
We'll examine after 2 weeks.
Yes, lordship.
Mr.
M. Bora.
M. Bora. Heard Mr. M. Bora, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Mr. N. Upaidhya, Learned Standing Counsel, Irrigation Department, for the response number 1.
1, 3, 6, 7 and 8, lordship.
6, 7,
8.
and 8.
Lordship.
Mr.
A. Borwa, on behalf of Mr. C. Borwa, for response number 4.
Accountant General, Learned Standing Counsel, Accountant General, A&E, for the response number 4. Ms. A. U. Sharma, Lion Junior Government Advocate Assam for the respondent number 2, 3. 2 and 3. Stop. Mr. Upadhyay. Lion Standing Council Irrigation Department has submitted that the pension proposal has been forwarded by the respondent number 7 to the office of the respondent number 6.
Lordship.
Has been resubmitted.
Resubmitted, Lordship, in corrected shape,
By
Lordship.
the respondent number 7 to the office of the respondent number 6. And the pension proposal is under, is presently under consideration of the respondent number 6. Full stop. Yes, he has thus submitted that matter be posted after 2 weeks in order to obtain him, in order to enable him to obtain further instruction in the matter. Full stop. Okay. In view of the above submission made by Mr. Upadhyay, list the case on so and so. Date.
Lordship.
Can you fix the date?
Lordship. Lordship. Lordship.
No less.
Item 22.
Yes, Mr. Mondal.
The instruction was sought for in the last occasion.
What is the subject matter?
This is regarding recruitment to the post of Constable GD. Now, after the interview, he was selected, but his biometric is not matching. Because of that, his name published in the withheld list.
Where is the withheld list?
Yes. Withheld list, Lordship will find at page 20.
Page
20.
20.
I have marked 585. This is his
20.
roll number.
Withheld candidate.
Yes, withheld candidate. Now, identical issue.
You are Minul Hokloscar. Okay. It was in what time? 2024.
10 months already elapsed. Now, identical issue raised this before Honorable Court. And this court was pleased to dispose of the matters that your Lordship will find at page 21. The order passed by this Honorable Court. Property part at page 28.
On that-
Exactly identical.
Yes, Lordship, on that matter, we have filed a review petition, Lordship, because and that review petition was allowed, Lordship. And now his present status of the petitioner is that his thumb impression signatures also are sent to CFSL. Forensics Laboratory Guwahati, and that Forensic CFSL has sent the report, and that now that report is sent to the National Crime Records Bureau, and now after examination they have declared the result. Whether his biometrics were matched.
They will declare.
Declared, yes.
Or have declared.
Now it is under National Crime Records Bureau, and it will take some more time, Lordship. I have received that this present status of the petitioner, Lordship.
There was an affidavit in opposition.
Yes, Lordship, we have stating the present status, but now this present status is there here. Lordship.
How many petitioners? Single?
Only one, Lordship. 23, his name, petitioner's name was recorded on serial number 23, Aminul Hokloscar.
This process is undertaken for what? To verify the
There's the left,
whether
left
he has
hand, yes.
really actually participated in the
Yes,
proceeding
yes,
or
yes.
not.
His left thumb impression was not matched or signature also not matched. That,
Okay.
yes,
LTI.
yes.
His name is at serial number
23. Aminul Haq Loskar.
Okay, CFSL has submitted report. Now it is in National Crime
Record Bureau.
Bureau. Okay. Once it is cleared, I think if you have passed.
Yes, Lordship.
10 month.
You are not
already
alone.
elapsed.
You are not alone. There are 31 candidates.
Yes, already 10 month gone.
Similar in some other cases already declared result, but these are pending.
These are 31
Yes.
names are pending. Okay. How much time it is within how much time it is expected? It was in August 2025. We are in October now.
Yes.
End of October almost. Middle of
1
October.
month may be required, Lordship.
We give a fixed date. Just a wait.
Oh, yes.
First part of November.
No, Lordship, last part of the 1 month
No,
required, at
so
least 1 month, Lordship.
So we'll extend the time.
Yes,
but
yes.
If you fix the time, things get expedited.
Yes, yes, Lordship.
Right?
Yes.
On 7th of November. Heard Mr. M.U. Mandal, Learned Counsel for the petition, and Ms. S. Burwal, Learned Government Counsel for the respondents. First of Ms. Burwa. Ms. Burwal and CGC has submitted, an instruction, that the cases of 31 number of candidates, including the petitioner, were forwarded to the Central Forensic Science Laboratory CFSL Kamrup, Assam for verification of the signatures and handwritings. Post up. It is submitted that the verification reports of signatures and handwritings of the 31 number of candidates have already received from the CFSL and the LTIs of the candidates have now been forwarded to the NCRB stroke CFPB. NCRB means National Crime Records Bureau for verification. Full stop. A report from the NCRB stroke CFPB is awaited. Full stop. In view of the above submission, let the case be listed again on 7/11/2025 to enable Ms. Porwal and Central Government Council, PGC, to place an up-to-date report.
Obliged.
Item 23.
May I please, Your Worship? My lord, petitioner, my lord,
Medical ground.
BSF Constable, my lord. She was discharged from service on the ground of medical unfitness, my lord, by the impion order. That order has been challenged before this court, my lord. Case number 72. And
We have already filed our affidavit in opposition, Lordship. Lordship, my senior is out of station.
Your senior is?
Out of station, Lordship.
Who is your senior?
Mrs. A. Gayan, Lordship.
Yes. When she is expected to be in station?
Lordship, by tomorrow evening, Lordship.
We'll put it on a day. It can be considered.
Lordship.
15, my lord.
It can be considered, okay. Why do you get a date? Okay. 27, not 27. Put it on 27. 27. Okay. Heard Mr. M.A. Islam, learned counsel for the petitioner, Ms.
M. Burman on
M.
behalf of
Learned
Mrs.
counsel
Segar.
appearing, on behalf of Ms. A. Gayan, Learned Central Government Council has submitted that Ms. Gayan is out of station due to personal reason and the case be posted on another date. Post up. You will not suppose, you do not require any affidavit in reply.
No,
Mr. Islam has submitted that no affidavit in reply is required to be submitted on behalf of the petitioner to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondents. Post stop. This is the case on 27.
Item 24.
Kaidul. Yes.
Lordship, we have received a communication from the concerned CEO. He has sought for a week's more time to furnish us the instructions. So I'm praying.
Okay. Claiming minimum scale up.
Yes, madam. They are already settled, my lord, already you also find page 55. This already going to dispose of this.
Okay, this is the returnable date. Okay, we'll put it on another date. Let him place his, at least has the satisfaction of obtaining the instruction. Heard Mr. F.K.R. Amir, learned counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. A.K. Ghosh, learned counsel representing Mr. S. Doctor, learned standing counsel, Panchayat and Rural Development Department for the respondent number 2 and 2 to 5. Yes, you are for Mr. H. Olial and it also heard Mr. H. Olial and standing counsel, Finance Department for the respondent number 1 for poster. Mr. Ghosh has submitted that he is expected to receive instructions in a matter within a week and has the spread for listing of the case after a week. Post of list the case on friends.
27. Item 25.
Lordship, similar prayer for this.
Yes, same, man.
Okay, same.
Same. Obliged, Lordship.
Number 26.
May I please say? The matter has become infrastructure.
Okay, Mr. A. Goel and counsel for the petition has submitted that the subject matter of the petition has become infractuous. Miss
Z. Bora.
C. Bora, learned
Z. Bora, Lordship.
C.
Z.
Z.
Lordship.
Okay, Agriculture,
Lordship.
learned standing counsel, Agriculture Department for the respondents, state respondents. Is present. First of, in view of the above submission made by Mr. Goel and counsel for the petitioners, the petition is that the petition has become become infractious. The petition is closed.
Item number 28. Item 28.
On last occasion also, it was unrepresented lordship. And the matter seems to be infractuous lordship. Matter sounds to be infractuous lordship. Engagement of public prosecutor in the district court lordship.
Oh.
And it's of 2017 matter lordship.
None has appeared for the petition today on petitions today on Ms. M. Bhattacharya, learned additional senior government about Assam for the respondents. State respondents.
State respondents.
Is present. So we'll put it on another date and we'll dispose of. The last order is that matter be listed before any other events.
Yes, lordship.
In view of non-representation on behalf of the petitioners to the unfurl is the case. On. Did you have it next week or next week? 27.
Lordship. Deeply obliged, lordship.
Item number 29.
My pleasure, Lordship. In this matter, I am appearing on behalf of Mr. A.K. Bhoya, Lordship, and he has been newly appointed as standing until the BTC. And today we don't have the copy of the petition, my lord. So, my lord,
He has been engaged as
he has been newly appointed as BTC, standing until the
Newly
BTC, Lordship.
appointed.
Yes, Lordship.
okay.
Okay.
Otherwise, Lordship.
Is it contempt case?
Matter, Lordship.
Yes, my lord.
Contempt matter.
Ah,
Non-compliance.
contempt matter.
Lordship.
Mr. Bhuya was representing whom?
Respondent number 5, Lordship.
5.
Yes, Lordship. BTC will yes, I mean,
He was
yes.
earlier representing whom? Respondent number 5.
Yes, my
He
lord.
was principal secretary BTC only.
Yes, my lord. My lord, my senior will be representing him, my lord, because, yes, my lord, because my lord has been newly appointed. My senior, my lord. So, my lord, we don't have the copy, my lord.
Okay, we'll adjourn only.
Lordship.
Then Ms. A. Talukdar, counsel for the petitioner. You are representing whom, Mr. Bhagavati?
Lordship, I appear for respondent number 1 and 3, Lordship.
Okay, I mean 7. I am not finding, okay, this Mr. M. Bhagavati, learned counsel for the respondent number
1 and 3, Lordship.
1 and 3. Miss Udas, learned counsel for the respondent number 7. Miss R.B. Bora, learned counsel for the respondent number. There are many cost title. I don't know which one is correct, which one is wrong. Huh? 7, 2, I don't. No Akashdeep. Anurag Goel. You represent whom? You also represent Anurag Goel.
I will be representing him, my lord.
Okay, R.B. Bora. You will be Mr. A.K. Bhuya.
A.K. Bhoya. Yes, my lord. I am appearing on behalf of
Appear
Mr.
on
A.K.
behalf
Bhoya.
of respondent number 5.
Yes, my lord. I am
Okay,
appearing on
okay.
behalf of.
R.B. Bora, learned counsel for the respondent number 5. And name, your name. R. Sahani. Okay, respondent number 4 are present. Mr.
J. Das, Lordship.
J. Das, learned counsel has submitted that a fresh Ukalanama will be filed on behalf of the respondent number 5 by him, and he has thus short listing of the case after
1 week, Lordship.
a week. Poster. The frame made by Mr. Das is accepted. List the case after a week.
Item 30. May I please, Lordship. Lordship, this matter is infractious, Lordship.
H. Talukdar, learned counsel for the petition has submitted that the matter has become infractious. Writ petition has become infractious. Miss U. Sharma, Junior Government Advocate Assam for the respondent number 1, 2, 3 is present. So in view of the above submission made by Mr. Talukdar, Commander, writ petition is dismissed as infractious.
Item number 31.
There is no representation on behalf of the petitioner today on call. Whereas Miss,
M. Burman on behalf of Mrs. A. Gayan, Lordship.
okay, Land Standing Government Council for the state respondents is present. Post up. A prayer was made on the previous date, 14/8/2024. The petitioner sought time. Sought 3 weeks time to file an affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the state respondent. But as per office notes dated 9/9/2025, no affidavit in reply has been filed on behalf of the petitioner. First of, as there is no representation on behalf of the petitioner to the uncalled, this the case for ends of justice after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the office.
Item 33.
Area salaries. Yes.
My lord, we were engaged by respondent 1 and 4, my lord, even though we are not council of fishery department. We were engaged by 1 and 4, but both the incumbents have changed, my lord. So we do not have the latest instruction. Otherwise, we had filed affidavits that we had taken steps for payment of arrear salary.
But ultimately, it is the money which is received.
Yes, my lord. So
That matters. There is no representation on behalf of the petitioner today on call. Mr. I. Bothakul and counsel for the respondent number 1 and 3.
4, my lord.
4.
They have, my lord.
Who is in attendance, has submitted that he has not received up-to-date instruction as regards disbursement of area salaries. It was in July 2024.
Yes, ma'am.
You were supposed to obtain instruction.
Thereafter, my lord, 1
And the progress received.
yes, 1 and 4 have been transferred, my lord. So new incumbents have not engaged us. my
Okay, he
lord.
has submitted that the respondent number 1 and 4, whom he had represented, have since been transferred
Yes, ma'am.
from their earlier post in the Fishery Department and Fish Paid.
Yes, ma'am.
Post. And as such, and in view of such subsequent developments, he is not in a position to apprise about the subsequent about the progress achieved as regards disbursement of the area salaries. Post of para. In view of non-representation on behalf of the petitioner to the uncalled, let the case come up for angel justice be listed after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the office.
Obliged.
Items 35 and 36.
Lordship, he is on lake. Can this matter be taken up after some time?
After some time, we are coming to the end of the list.
My lord, this is my lord, in fact,
What is the issue?
issue, my lord, non-compliance of this coach holder, my lord, they were the, my lord,
Okay,
staff.
non-compliance, but direction is about what?
Yes, for the, my lord, for payment of, my lord, area salary.
Area salary.
Area salary, my lord. This, my lord, petitioner number, my lord, petitioner in item number 35, she's a staff nurse, my lord. And
I mean,
she worked in the, my lord,
claims have been made by the respondent number. For the years to have since the funds are to be received, sorry that the email will allow to be reached, it may be allowed. Where is the direction?
Direction is at page 36, my lord. Starts from 36 and relevant portion.
Disposed of.
Relevant portion is at page, my lord,
Not
38,
available.
para 6.
Submitted. Yes, madam. Who is your senior?
Mr. Diupomina.
Whether he has received instruction or not?
I don't have any.
You don't have. You should have at least asked him that whether you are in a position to address the court or not. Have you gone through the brief or not? No idea. What is the case about?
I don't have any idea. what this
Next
is.
time you come prepare with instruction in the absence of your senior, you should be in a position to place at least the basic information.
In fact, my
Okay, Mr. Bora, we'll put it after a week
Lost.
on a fixed date.
Lost.
Mrs. Heard, Mr. J.C. Bora, learned counsel for the petitioner, Miss
B. Bora. on
B.
behalf of
Bora,
D.
learned
Upamanyu.
counsel on behalf of Mr. D. Upamanyu, learned counsel for the respondent, full stop. As Mr. Upamanyu is supposed to place instruction, let the case be listed on so and so. Same, both cases be on. We'll see.
37. Number 37.
Lordship may be pleased to see the order dated 3/9/25, Lordship. by the law-
3/9.
By the Lawazima Court, Lordship.
3/9. R5 service complete. There is no representation on behalf of the petitioner today on call. So Mr. R.K. Devchuri, Learned Deputy Solicitor General of India for the respondent number 124 is present. Post up. Peruse the office note dated 3/9/2025. Post up. As part of office note dated so and so. The service of notice upon the respondent number 5 is complete. Post stop. In view of non-representation of the petitioner on call and the fact that none has appeared for the respondent of 5 till date, let the case be listed again after 2 weeks. Already 2 weeks by the office. Post stop. Already you have filed the affidavit.
Yes, yes.
Number 38.
There is no representation on behalf of the petitioner on call. Release the case after a week on a date 2 weeks by the office.
Items 39 and 40.
May I plead your lordship? In IA, I am appearing for respondent number 6 to 30.
IA is for
Implement, lordship.
implement.
Yes,
Respond
Lordship.
number
6 to 30.
No.
So I need 3 weeks time to file our objection, lordship.
to the implementing application.
Yes,
The
lordship.
implementing application, my lord, there is an order of stay, my lord, where viva result has been stayed by this honorable court. We have participated in the written examination.
So
Viva-
objection 3 weeks is in a writ petition it is okay. In an implementing application 3 weeks is a longer one.
Actually, lordship, we have challenged the selection committee. The selection committee as per rules, lordship.
1 minute. You are a petitioner in writ
Writ
petition
petition, yes, lordship.
and this application is filed by some other
Yes.
for their implement.
Yes, lord.
So your opposite parties in the IA
Yes,
I
6 to 30.
23,
Yes.
23, my lord.
6 to 30.
23.
Oh,
6 to
6
In
to-
the IA 6 to 23.
6 to 23. So you want to file an objection to the prayer for implement. 3 weeks is long, 2 weeks.
Yes.
I'll pray.
Some interim order is there
Yes,
already.
my lord, the viva result has been stayed, my lord, this honorable court. We have participated in the viva, my lord.
Okay,
My lord.
you may be ultimately get the appointment, okay. We'll put a fixed date then.
My lord.
Miss. Oh, earlier also you sought time.
Yes, sir.
Mr.
My lord, S. Hazarika.
Okay, heard Miss R.R. Kakoti, learned counsel for the petitioners, writ petitioners, and the respondent number, opposite party number 6 to 23
23.
in IA civil number 2448/2025 and Mr. B. Kosh
S. Hazarika.
S. Hazarika, learned counsel for the applicants in IA civil 2448/2025. Also heard Mr. D. Nath, learned senior government advocate Assam for the state respondents. Post of Miss Miss Kakoti, learned counsel, has prayed for further 2 weeks' time to file an objection to the interlocutory to the interlocutory application IA civil number 2448/2025. The praise the Lord leaves the case on so and so date exactly after 2 weeks. The interim order passed early, if any, shall continue till the next day. We are putting in a fixed date.
Yes, on a selection process has been.
I have been told.
Not the IA, we are not aware of what is the IA about.
Implement.
No, we need it.
I'll
Okay.
provide the copy.
Yes.
Furnish one
I'll
more.
They have furnished the
Mr.
copy.
Hazarika
Yes, sir.
shall furnish a copy of the interlocutory application to Mr. Nath, senior government advocate, by tomorrow.
My lord, I'll.
Huh?
Give you.
Ados সময় দিব। Yes, Ms. Deka,
Please, your lordship, here is the interim order.
already extended.
Lordship, this is a condonation of delay and review petition or the delay is of 2370 days, your lordship.
Only. By years, if we translate into years, how much?
Lordship,
2, 3,
it's order of.
6 years almost.
Yes, your
Hmm?
lordship.
What is the order?
Order is your lordship, annexure.
Review.
Review, your lordship. Annexure 1 of the review petition, your lordship, order is of 6/2/2019, your lordship. Actually, what happened, your lordship, here, direction is to consider the seniority position on the basis of merit, your lordship, but we could not bring before the notice of this honorable court that criteria is not merit here, it's actually seniority, your lordship. When lordship, we have issued the provisional gradation list in the year 2024, your lordship. Then, your lordship, the respondent, private respondent number 6 in the writ petition, he has filed objection on the basis of the court's order that he should be considered on merit, your lordship. But if his seniority should be considered on merit, your lordship.
That rule was considered or not?
That time rule was not produced before this honorable court, your lordship. That is the difficulty, your lordship. That's why honorable court directed to fix the seniority on the basis of merit, your lordship. That is the lordship. That whether review.
Yes, anything has been there, we don't know, we'll not apply our mind now. Whether delay has to be explained also.
Delay has explained, your lordship. Delay I have explained in paragraph number, your lordship.
Rule is of which year?
Rule is of 2018, your lordship.
18.
Yes, your lordship.
Case was disposed of in which year?
On 2019, your
19. Rule was in existence.
lordship.
And there was departmental council. So that plea is not available that there was no rule.
Actually, your lordship.
Because
on the-
departmental council is supposed to know.
Yes, your lordship, but at that
And
time.
thereafter also, any mistake is to be realized within a short time. 6 years is too long.
Yes, your lordship. They realized only when the objection came, your lordship. I
But-
fairly submit, your lordship. But your lordship, in that case, your lordship, actually the position of merit is not the condition, your lordship. Actually, selection is the main.
Okay, well, you should
but-
notice at this stage, let the
Yes, your lordship.
hard
you
Miss
should notice, your
R
lordship.
M R
Deka.
Deka, learned counsel for the petition applicant. Applicant post of. Instant application under section 5 of the Limitation Act is preferred. Seeking condonation delay of 2370 days in filing the accompanying review petition against an order dated 6/2/2019, passed in a writ petition WBC number 7529 of 2018. Issue notice. How many petitioners were there earlier?
Lordship,
Writ petitioner is only one, your lordship, but
How the other then
other
has come into, how the others are born? You have made three.
three, your lordship, and one is performer as well. We will hard copy to Guwahati University.
Okay, you should, notice returnable in full. Applicants, huh? Shall take case for service of notice upon the opposite parties by registered post PD within 3 working days from. Okay.